Hello, it's Tobias from Fearful Gamer, aka Tobias, and we are here for another video. Bonfire at the party. This is a random guy. Okay, we're going to the bonfire over here. It's not really a bonfire yet because
it's not big.
Yeah, it's not big. There it is.
It's a little itsy bitsy bonfire.
No, it's not a bonfire. It's just a fire pit. Campfire.
Okay, this is the fire, and we're just gonna put it here. We're gonna talk about other things. So the next video is firecrackers at the party, and I'm not sure when.
Good.
Okay, so yeah, the next video is bonfire at the firecrackers at the party, and we're gonna be doing that the same day. And
sticks on fire!
Yeah, tiny sticks on fire.
Oh my god!
And yeah. See ya next time on Fearful Gamer, aka Tobias.